Welcome to the Java Tricky Question Challenge, and today's challenge is available in your screen. So try to pause the video, try to solve this challenge by yourself first. After that you can compare your thinking with my explanation. And that is the best way to learn, by correcting your mistakes. So in this question, first of all we have to check, will this code compile? If yes, then what will be the output? So let's try to understand what is given in the program. So we have a one vehicle class. Inside that we have a one variable, and we have a one constructor which is taking one argument, and we have a one method. We have another class which is car, and it's extending the vehicle class. And inside the car class we also have a one constructor which is also taking one argument, and we also have a one method. Perfect. Lastly, we have another class, that is the question 25, which has a main method, and inside the main method we are creating the object of the car class, and using that object we are calling the drive method. Before we try to solve this question, let's try to understand very important concept. So whenever we have a parent-child relationship between the class, it's very important to understand, whenever in the parent class we have only constructor which is taking some arguments, or in other words, we don't have any constructor in a parent class which is taking zero argument, then we must create constructor inside the child class, and we need to call the parent class constructor first from the child class constructor. So this is very important concept. You can try to pause the video and try to read it again. So whenever we have a parent and child relationship between the class, whenever inside the parent class we have a only constructor which is taking some argument, or we don't have any constructor in the parent class which is taking zero argument, then we must create constructor inside the child class, and it's compulsory to call parent class constructor first from the child class constructor. Perfect. Let's look at the question again. So in this question, in the parent class, we have a one constructor and it is taking one argument. So whenever in the parent class, we have a only constructor which is taking some argument, or we don't have any constructor which is taking zero argument, then it's compulsory in the child class we have to create a constructor, and we have to call the parent class constructor from the child class constructor. So you can see in this question, in the child class we have a constructor, but we are not calling the parent class constructor from the child class constructor. So Java will give you the compilation error. So how to call the parent class constructor from the child class constructor? So here we have to write down the super, and we have to pass one argument. We can pass any integer value, but we have to add this line as a first statement. So from the child class constructor, it's compulsory to call parent class constructor explicitly using super keyword. And also, if we have a more than one constructor inside the child class, then it's compulsory from all the constructor we have to call the parent class constructor. So if we have a 5 constructor inside the child class, it's compulsory that we have to add this line inside the 5 constructor, regardless of which constructor we are using inside the main method. So Java will not check which constructor you have used here. So Java will not check this code. Java will check the design. So is this design is correct? So currently this design is not correct. From the child class constructor, we have to call the parent class constructor first, and that we are missing. So Java will give you the compilation error. Perfect. I hope you are clear now why this question will give you the compilation error. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments regarding this video, try to write down into the comment section. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you into the next video.